What began with 100 flyers and a bold idea is now transforming waste management in Meghalaya. Recycle BAZZAR, a tech-enabled startup founded by Ronnie Saha, is helping people turn their household trash into cash while uplifting rag pickers and promoting sustainable living. Here is a report.
Today, Recycle BAZZAR operates with a team of 11 rag pickers rebranded as Titans, trained collectors who go door-to-door segregating waste into gunny bags, weighing it and paying residents based on the waste value. The startup has so far collected over 70 tons of waste from areas like Shillong, Jawai and Mairang, with 40% being electronic waste and the rest plastics, iron and steel. Saha, who grew up on Keating Road in Shillong, recalls how his family once cleaned drains and
waste management is a very, very difficult. Okay, the collection part, recycling, it sounds very easy, but when we work on ground level, we know how much struggle to collect. Okay, and it is going to take time, ma'am. Okay, because compared to the population of the people who's generating the waste and compared the waste management startup is, I think, 0.1%.
Now part of the prime startup ecosystem, Recycle BAZZAR was selected among the top 35 startups in Meghalaya and received a grant of rupees 2 lakhs. While environmental awareness is growing slowly, Saha believes coordination among waste startups is more vital than competition.
If you're doing something for environment and for social impact, keep doing it. India is now of land of opportunities. There is everywhere there is an opportunity, especially in Northeast. Okay, we Northeasterns have lots of potential. Okay, we have cohort. There's top 75 startup with brilliant ideas, and they just lack of awareness, lack of access, which is given by the right now Prime Hub. Okay, there is a special team who is guiding them to reach to the next level.
Recycle BAZZAR is more than just a waste management startup. It's a grassroots movement blending technology, dignity and environmental responsibility by empowering rag pickers and rewarding households. It offers a replicable model for sustainable urban living and social impact. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
As Meghalaya prepares to host the prestigious 30